welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another episode of not a car DIY. This is not exactly a vlog, okay, but you know, I mean it is a vlog, okay, but it has cars in it as well, and it is an event. Alright, so guys, okay, today we are doing a charity event, okay, with a group of car enthusiasts. Yep, and we're gonna show you how all these charity events work. Right, so usually, okay, how it works is there usually be a group of people, you know, who wanted to help out the needy and the community, yeah, the less fortunate. Yep, and usually these groups, right, they'll come together and they'll do something for them. Yep, and for today's one, right, okay, I actually joined the event. Yeah, but I do not know the details, so it's like anyone wants to help, they're like yeah, but I do not know the events. And in Singapore, right, we have quite a long while where we don't have a lot of car meetups and stuff, right? And this is my first one in about, I would say, 2 years. Yeah, and all these people in the chat group, right, in WhatsApp, we have been chatting for a while, okay, and a lot of them I do not even know them yet. Yeah, so we're going to the car park now to meet some of them. It's like a blind date, okay, I think it's quite interesting. Yeah, so we're going to show you some of the cars.
Beamer? No idea.
No idea. Yeah, the thing is, no idea. I really do not know who is who, where is everyone.
Be careful. I feel like those IRC net meeting kind of stuff.
Yeah, it's like a net meeting. Let's just ask. Hello, is this the event? The charity event? Oh, okay. Okay, got it. We got it. Alright, so guys, okay, we actually met up with some of the guys already, okay, and right now I'm at the car park lot to show you some of the rides. Alright, so let's go. So guys, okay, we have collected the food. Okay, there's two convoys, convoy 1 and convoy 2. We are part of convoy 1. Yep, so we'll be going to 2 blocks and 1 block at the other side. Yep, so right now all the food has been loaded up into the car and the whole convoy 1 is on the way to Tampines. Yes, we're going Tampines for this time round. Right, so we're going to show you some of the journey and how, you know, all these charity drives look like. Yeah, so let's go. Alright, so guys, we have reached our destination. Today we are at block 872B. If you are staying here, we might be seeing you guys. Yeah, so all ready for action, but it's going to rain. Let's hope the rain hold up to about maybe 4 o'clock where everything is done. Alright, so just unloaded the food, okay, up to our trusty trolley. Yeah. A bit singing, but should
Got
be
plastic
okay.
bag.
Wait Yeah, and our water bottles because it will be hot. Yeah, so right now we're going to the block. Alright, so usually when we go for all this charity, right, one of my habits is always go to the highest floor first. So we can slowly make our way back down. And let's hope everyone is at home to receive, some of the food that we have prepared. Yeah, so the first one is 16th floor, there's 2, 14, 13, yeah, all the way down. Yeah, and high floor, right, and you have views.
Wow, nice view.
Use the stairs for shortcuts. Almost done. I mean, we're halfway through, but there's more support. That's the end of the whole charity drive. Okay, all in all, okay, we actually settled some blocks, okay, in Tampines and some blocks at Eunos. If you like all these videos and vlogs, okay, drop down a like, drop down a comment on what you would like to see on the next episode. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, happy morning of time. Bye.